welcome back to EL Conversation Academy. Are you looking for a way to improve your pronunciation skills? Well, you are at the right place. In this video, I am sharing a short story with you which will be helpful for you to develop listening and speaking skills effectively. You have to observe the correct pronunciation of words. Let's move to the story. Romeo and Juliet. Romeo and Juliet's families, the Montagues and Capulets, have been fighting for years. One night, Romeo sneaks into a ball hosted by Juliet's family, where he sees Juliet and falls deeply, dance and talk. And Romeo is smitten. But when he finds out that Juliet is a Capulet, he knows their families' hatred for each other makes their love despite the danger. Romeo and Juliet exchange vows of love and decide to marry in secret. They ask Friar Lawrence, a wise and understanding priest, to perform the ceremony. But when Romeo kills Juliet's cousin, Tybalt, in a duel, he is banished from Verona. Juliet's parents arrange for her to marry another man. But she refuses and fakes her own death to avoid the marriage. Romeo believes Juliet is really dead and poisons himself in her tomb. Juliet awakens to find Romeo dead and stabs herself with his dagger to join him in death. The tragic end of the two lovers ultimately brings peace. Hope you find these tips helpful and inspiring. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for English language lessons and tips. Take care guys.